G'day viewers, welcome back to another video. Girlfriend's gone and bought herself another Minelab detector, well not another, but a Minelab detector so we can go prospecting. She's got the GPX 5000, so we're going to do an unboxing for you. I thought she would want to do it, but she's camera shy, so you have to stick with me. So what have we got? Instructions, CDs, could be handy. All kinds of stuff in there. Yeah, this is a cheat sheet and it's got basically how all the settings work. I'm not going to try and explain it to you, but it was taught to her when she got the machine, so she understands it all. That's what matters. Alright, this looks like a coil, and there's a second coil here. So this is the standard coil, and this will be the, I think this is a 14 inch. I don't know, but it's a better one. No, 19 inch or something. This is a rubbish bag for your fines. That's pretty cool. I didn't get one of those with my 7000. It goes on your belt there. I want this.
You can have it.
Well, I want it. Okay, so what's in here? This must be the thingy that your arm goes through. By the looks of it. So it looks like that. We'll wait and see. The instructions are bound to say. There's a strap here of some sort. I'm sure all will be more clear soon. I'm hopeless at putting things together. If you saw me do my 7000, you'd know that. And then there's, I'm guessing, the lead that goes from the detector to the battery pack. And this is for the hip stick. It goes up onto the hook on top there and down to the thing, so you're not actually carrying the weight of the detector. This is your grip. Geez, you've got to assemble everything. It's pretty cool. So it's got a strap there you put your hand in. Not that I would use it, but anyway. Looks like a car charger port. And this would be all sorts of brackets to assemble it. And I don't know what you would do with this. No idea now. This is a waddy. You hit it with your girlfriend's head with it. Imagine what your head looks like when you hit it with it. I don't even know how this goes together.
Guys, that's hard to think.
I don't know. I may have to just give this to her to assemble because it looks like a too hard basket job for me. So this is the main component, the heart of the business. And this is, I'm guessing, the battery pack. I'm guessing, I don't know. Looks like it. Looks like it'll be a battery pack. I think this is headphones by the feel of it, yep. Look. Break it before we even get it out. Pretty cool looking headphones. Really comfy, geez, that's soft. Oh, there are different sorts of PowerPoint assemblies. So there's the American one, this is the Australian one, the European one, Alright, so that's that. And then this is the power battery charger. You slide on whichever one of those that you want. And then this looks with the harness. It looks very similar to my GPZ 7000 harness. So that's where the battery pack goes, in here, into there like that. That's where the bum is, and then this shoulders. Not bad, pretty cool. So the hip stick strap goes onto here, or here, whichever side you want to do it at.
Cool.
So that's the unboxing. Now, I'm trying to assemble it. I'm going to need to sit down because I've got a bad back. My back's sore. So, this looks like it would slide in. I really don't know. I'm hopeless at putting things together. It must go like that. I don't see any other way it would do it. And then there's all those nuts and bolts that were in this pocket somewhere in here. So I guess there's something that joins it together. I'm going to cut the film here and let the girlfriend assemble it because I don't know. And then what we'll do is we'll come back at the end and show you what it looks like. So just before we carry on, this is the bag. We've already got the bag for it. It's got two cool pouches on the side. I'm jealous because my 7000 doesn't have two pouches, doesn't have any pouches. And it does cam. I've only got Woodlands. But yeah, that's the bag for her GPX 5000. So okay, so we've got it all together. We've decided to go with a nugget finder coil, which we had here already, instead of the standard coil. This is the lead that goes from the back of the control box around to the battery, and the battery's on charge. This is the bungee cord, which goes up to her shoulder and clips onto the harness. This is what they do the ground balance with, that button there. We put a protective cover around the box. That's where the switches are there. The handle's got this grip thing on it. That's what those pieces came in. They had a pocket either side. I didn't know what that was for. And there's the back there where the cord goes in. So it's all finished, ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.